Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the PNY Universal Tripod Plus wireless remote. Full disclosure, as always, PNY sent this out to me free of charge for this video. They haven't asked to see the video beforehand or pre-approve the content. I'm going to share with you my honest opinion about this product. Now, this is a very useful product. I will show you the little mini tripod in a little bit more detail very shortly. But not only can you use it as a tabletop stand for your smartphone, you could also use it for other products as well. And if you do vlogs, you could even use it to hold out and use as like a selfie stick. It helps you get a little bit more distance between you and your smartphone camera, and also to create a little bit more stable footage. Now, before I show you the tripod a little bit closer, you also get this, a little tiny wireless Bluetooth remote. There is a battery cover on the back, so you can replace the battery when it runs out, and it's just like a little clicker. So if you're lining up a selfie, you can connect this to your smartphone, hold it behind your back or somewhere inconspicuous, and click the button and take that photo. So really useful little extra that you get with this universal tripod. So very, very cool. So now let's take a better look at the tripod itself. Now at the moment it's got my iPhone 11 Pro Max in it. Let's remove the iPhone just so I can give you a closer look at this. So the actual piece here has got rubber in these sections, top and bottom. Of note, there's no rubber at the back. I would have liked to have seen some sort of protection from scratches at the back here, but it goes plenty wide enough for larger smartphones. There's also a threaded mount on this side, so you can alter the orientation. And then of course a standard threaded mount on the underside, so you can remove it completely from the tripod. And then that frees up the tripod to be used for other cameras. If you've got an action camera, you could put it on top of the tripod, or a smaller sort of compact camera, or even a small mirrorless camera. And then you could use this as a selfie stick, or indeed you can use it as a tabletop tripod. Now the little ball head here, you can release it and you can re-angle this at different angles. There's not a lot of movement left and right, so it's really just sort of tilting it, and then you can of course tilt it all the way down to use portrait mode, and then you can lock it back into position with this little lever here. And then the actual legs, they've got the closed position and the open position, nothing in between, but they have got nice rubberized little tips on there, so it's not going to slide around on your desk or whatever surface you put it on. I think this is a really good package. I can certainly recommend you take a look at this because it's very well made. You do get these mini tripods and they feel as though they're going to fall apart. This feels nice and robust. I've left links down in the video description so you can pick this up for yourself. And I've also left a link down there to the PNY website, so you can check out their other products as well. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.